Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of clarity, purpose, and energy. No rushing, no stress, just a well-structured start to the day that sets you up for success. Most high achievers, from CEOs to world-class athletes, have one thing in common: a powerful morning routine. Today we're breaking down why morning routines matter, how the most successful people start their day, and how you can craft your own to reach new levels of productivity and fulfillment. Let's dive in. Your morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. Have you ever noticed how waking up late, skipping breakfast, or checking your phone first thing often leads to a chaotic and unproductive day? That's no coincidence. Science shows that a structured morning routine can significantly improve your mental clarity, focus, and overall happiness. Now I'll start with telling you key benefits of a great morning routine. Number 1. Sets the tone for the day. A good start leads to a productive and intentional day. Number 2. Boosts productivity and focus. Studies show that our cognitive functions are highest in the morning. Number 3. Improves well-being and happiness. Simple habits like gratitude and exercise release endorphins, boosting your mood and energy levels. If you want to maximize your potential, your morning routine should be as intentional as the goals you set for yourself. Let's take a closer look at the common themes in the morning routines of high achievers. While everyone's routine is unique, there's a few key habits that successful people consistently incorporate. Number 1. They prioritize sleep and wake up early. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Oprah Winfrey all emphasize getting enough high-quality sleep. Waking up early, typically before 6 a.m., allows time for self-care, goal setting, and uninterrupted work. Quality sleep enhances decision-making, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Number 2. They start with movement and exercise. Exercise in the morning boosts dopamine and serotonin, leading to improved mood and energy. Barack Obama, Mark Zuckerberg, and Richard Branson swear by their morning workouts. Even just 10-15 minutes of stretching, yoga, or a walk can make a significant difference. Number 3. They focus on mindfulness and gratitude. Meditation, journaling, and practicing gratitude help reduce stress and enhances focus. Oprah starts her day with gratitude journaling, while Tim Ferriss swears by morning meditation. Writing down 3 things you're grateful for can rewire your brain for positivity over time. Let's break down the morning routines of some of the world's most successful people. Elon Musk wakes up at 7 a.m. and skips breakfast, immediately starts work using time blocking to organize his schedule down to the minute, works out in the evening to optimize energy levels for the day. Oprah Winfrey wakes up around 6 a.m. without an alarm, starts the day with gratitude journaling and meditation, exercises, then reads before beginning her day. Michelle Obama wakes up at 4:30 a.m. for a morning workout, spends quality time with the family before starting work, prioritizes self-care and consistency. It's important to note that these routines may not work for everyone. They highlight an important lesson: successful people design their morning around their priorities and goals. Now let's talk about how you can build a morning routine that works for you. Number 1. Identify your goals and values. Do you want to improve productivity, reduce stress, or prioritize health? Design your morning around what's important to you. Number 2. Experiment with different activities. Try waking up 30 minutes earlier and testing different habits like exercising, reading, or meditation. Pay attention to what energizes you versus what feels forced. Number 3. Be consistent and make it a habit. Habits take time to form. Start small and build up. Track your progress and refine your routine as needed. Even the best routine won't stick if you don't have a plan for maintaining it. Here's how to sustain your new habits. Number 1. Accountability and tracking. Use a habit tracker, journal, or an app to monitor your consistency. Share your routine with a friend or a coach for added accountability. Number 2. Flexibility and adaptation. Life happens. Adjust your routine instead of giving up entirely. Create a minimum viable routine, a simplified version for busy days. Number 3. Celebrate your progress. Reward yourself for sticking to your routine. Small wins compound into big results over time. Now, morning routines aren't about perfection. They're about setting yourself up for success. Start with one small change tomorrow morning and build from there. Before you know it, you'll be seeing the benefits in your productivity, mindset, and overall happiness. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more content on success and self-improvement. And tell us in the comments what's one habit you want to add to your morning routine.